So I will just do a quick demonstration today of our product Cheeeese, a newly launched ultra clean sonic electric toothbrush. They have 3 colors total: a pink one, a white one, and a black one, as I'm opening up today. So you can see everything right out of the box. 4 replacement heads, and the brush body, and a PU leather travel case, a USB Type-C charging cable, and also a menu. So first of all, let's take a look at our brushes. As you can see, we have 4 brush heads in total, and the first 2 are the same brushes, and we call Cheeeese Standard Clean. Let me open up one. You can see it's very nicely shaped, and the bristle is by DuPont, which provides you a very good cleaning of your teeth and your mouth. And you can take a look at the back of the toothbrush. It has silicone wrapped, full graded, and also can be used as a tongue scraper. And they all come individually packed in a case like this, so keep it sanitary, and so you don't get water like anywhere if you want to travel with them. And the second one is a super thin charcoal bristle by Touray. The bristle on this brush head is very soft. It's specially designed for sensitive teeth or first time electric toothbrush user, and it's also perfectly for your kids. And the third one is the Cheeeese Smart brush head by Smart, which we have the blue indicator that you always know when to replace it. So basically you have to replace the toothbrush head every 3 months. So our package comes with 4 brush heads that can last you a whole year, and you can always find your needs, like whichever toothbrush head fits your needs better, and you can always purchase it later. And we also have a special program that we give away free toothbrush heads, and detail can be found on oralcheeeese.com. Okay, then let's take a look at the brush. The brush body is very sturdy. You can feel the weight to it, but it is very comfortable to hold. Feels great in your hand. The build quality is very good. And the coating, the paint on this brush is excellent. We have multi-spray coating, which prevents fingerprints and also prevents scratch, because we use like very high quality paint. And let's take this off. And the operation on the toothbrush is very simple. It's a 1 button push operation, 1 push to start, very cool lighting effect, another push to the second mode, and one more push to the third mode. So there are 3 modes in total. The first one is sensitive, and the second one is standard clean, and the third one is whitening, which has the most powerful vibration by the magnetic levitation motor we have built inside. So 3 modes in total. You can find your needs, whichever suits your cleaning needs the better. And we also have a waterproof Type-C charging at the bottom, actually rated as IP7, so you don't need to worry about getting a device into water. So let's take a closer look here. It's double safety design and a Type-C charging, so you can just easily charge it through a Type-C cable, which the cable comes standard. So, and the battery on our toothbrush is superb. Unlike other toothbrush, like normally electric toothbrush lasts like few weeks or maybe few months. You have to constantly charge it, and many of them has like exclusive charge adapter. So every time you need to charge it, you have to find the adapter. Maybe you lose it, and it's just pain. Each time you have to charge it. But our toothbrush, you just need a USB-C cable and a USB port. You can charge on your computer, on your laptop, or maybe on your car, or any adapter that with a USB. So you can charge it everywhere, and you don't need to worry about it. And the battery itself lasts almost 300 days on the sensitive mode, 2 brushes per day. So you don't need to worry about running out of battery on a long trip, or maybe on a business trip. You just take out your battery. You just take out your brush and go, and no need to worry about it. And speaking of traveling, we have a PU leather waterproof travel case that fits perfectly for a toothbrush, and also 2 brush heads with their cases. So let's say you want to travel with your wife, and all you need is just to bring a 1 brush and the 2 brush heads, 1 for you and 1 for your wife. Keep it simple and save some luggage space, and it's also very sanitary because they are all individually sealed and waterproof. So lastly, let me take a brush out. And maybe you can see the brush movement. As you can see, very powerful on the whitening mode. So let me show you the other 2 colors that's available. This one is the cheese red, and this one is the white. They are all very good color and equal quality. So all in all, a great bundle and very good quality and very good value.